crafters, welcome back to my channel, Margaret Knob Designs. I am working on a collab today with, the collaboration is called #Christmas365, and there are, or will be, a lot of other other channels that are participating in this down below in my description. Sorry, I'm having a hard time talking today, so I'm going to hopefully get a little bit better here. So what I did is I worked on the card kit Simple Vintage Christmas Lodge, and I wanted to try this time to see how quickly I could get together these cards with also doing 2 sets at one time. So wanted to just take a look at all the cards first and show you a little bit of what I did on the inside. So I ended up doing 2 of each card, and on the inside I took some of my leftover cardstock and some of the ephemera and used that for the inside of my cards. And here we've got a Peace and Joy, and there's chipboards and ephemera on these. And I have to say that my granddaughter helped me with these cards, who's 6 years old. She was my glue girl. I love this old world Santa. And this is a chipboard here. And then adding some of the strips with the ephemera pieces. And then we've got another Santa here, great one. This one actually, I believe, I think both of them are in the paper collection as well. And I'll have that paper collection coming soon with some Christmas ideas. So there's still plenty of room in these cards to stamp something or to write a note to the receiver or recipient. And we've got some nice, these are kind of manly cards with the elk in there. And we've got another one. All of these items that are the ephemera pieces that are left in the that are in the inside were left because they were leftover pieces from the card kits. So some of them I just put simple banners, then some different circles and some of the little pieces of ephemera. I thought some of them turned out really good. Some of the insides work in progress, still learning what works well and what doesn't. So you can see there's plenty of room to write and add a sentiment in there. We've got this one, and we've got a banner in there. So all in all, I got 16 cards out of these 2 kits, 8 cards per kit, and they have the directions all on here. So what I typically do when I'm making these is I take the kit and I punch out all the pieces and I score the cards, and then I put all the pieces into Ziploc bags, and then I made 2 of each one as I went along. And it really didn't take very long to put them all together. I like this for just some fun, mindless crafting. So these are awesome cards. You'll have to add your own envelopes, but I thought they turned out pretty good. So I wish you a Merry Christmas and look forward to seeing you in next month's #Christmas365. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.